A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This is Ronita Sengupta, your anchor for this exclusive interview. And why are we here today? So, we have with us today, Mrs. Pallavi Kaushik. Well, Pallavi Kaushik is the Mrs. Universe Devoted 2017, and here is she to launch her exclusive grooming, styling and beauty program called Star Forever. Now, they say that, glamour is all about owning the look and also the confidence. The lady who is here in front of me today is the epitome of all that I say. So, with a very warm, round of applause, let us welcome the beautiful Pallavi Kaushik who's here with us. Hi, Pallavi.
Hi Ronita, firstly I would like to thank you so much for the lovely introduction, and you are looking gorgeous, and I'm very happy that you are the person I'm sitting right in front to talk about my program.
Thank you, Pallavi. We are extremely overwhelmed, and it's just so good to see you here. And I'm so excited to know about the Star Forever program. So one thing that plays on my mind is this is one of the first kind in the city of Pune, where you're looking at attracting talent and debutantes across the country. So क्या आपकी vision थी, Pallavi, ये program conceptualize करने से पहले? I would really want to know. I think the audience would also love to know about it.
Ronita, I would just like to share that I have come from a background which is related to pageantry, and I have been into pageant participation myself, and as well as I have also groomed participants for many pageants. After pageantry, I realized that a lot of girls, they don't really know what to do. They don't have any guidance, and they just step into this industry probably thinking that they will do a lot of things in after participation. But then I realized that if we are grooming contestants and giving them a platform for pageantry, why not give them opportunities wherein they can explore three different industries. Acting, modeling and pageantry are all interconnected, but still there is a lot of difference. So I came up with this concept of giving a 10 days training program, because mostly a lot of people don't have that much time to spend. Maybe they have to put in a year training or whatever they have to do to develop their skills. Sometimes they don't have that much time, but they still have their dreams, they still have their vision. I mean, they want to be a part of this industry. So that's why we conceptualized this for a very short duration, that is 10 days. But those 10 days are going to be something wherein we will be giving them a hands-on experience. And this program is such that everybody who becomes a part of this training program not only takes a training, learning and training back home and a certificate, but it's something wherein they will also take a profile with them. So I am going to help them to learn whatever they have to by being a part of whatever they do. For example, we are going to teach training by giving them an experience of being in a short film. So during the 10 days of training, they will also be a part of the 10-day short film. Then we have planned brand shoots for them, where they will just be in front of a brand and try and project the brand the best. Also, we are giving them a fashion walk with very well-established brands of Pune, and whatever they are going to do in these 10 days, it's something going to be a life-changing experience for them. And I personally feel that anybody who becomes a part of this particular program will definitely have a future ahead, have guidance ahead from all of us. In my team, we have a lot of people who are the best in this industry. So everybody is going to be helping each other. We are not going to be competitors, or we are not going to be somebody where we are going to just want to do something for our own self. But it is a program where we are going to handhold each other. So it's that vision which is mine, that everybody, whoever enrolls in this program, takes away learning, takes away experience, and I give them opportunities.
Wow, that really sounds very exciting, and I think a very overwhelming a feeling, because all our aspirants here, I'm sure, who will be enrolling themselves for Star Forever, they will be looking at the big ticket to the glamour world. And what you have just now stated really sounds very interesting. But I have another question for you, Pallavi, and I really feel that glamour may not be everyone's business, because glamour is pretty competitive and glamour is tough. So what are some of the qualities and what are some of those, USP factors or X factors that, you would like to evaluate the students and aspirants who are going to join the Star Forever program? And I'm sure, you may have something in mind, that what is it that you're looking for, those ideal qualities in the candidates and the students who are going to enroll in your exclusive program?
See, the 10 days program is a very short time to actually develop on their talents. But yes, if somebody is born with a talent, that is the biggest, I think, quality which they will have, so that we can brush and groom that. Secondly, what I'm looking for is that they have to be passionate about this industry. If they are not passionate, I think they will not stand a chance to grow. So they have to be passionate. They have to be a person who wants to learn and do many things in life, because I personally feel that there has to be a lot of intake, and you should have the capacity to take whatever you learn and use it wherever there's an opportunity or a chance to do it.
Okay. Well, that was very well said, and I also agree with you on that point. Well, my next question is going to be definitely around the fact that, if I, as an aspirant or a student, would like to be part of this exclusive glamour program, what do you think would be my key takeaways? What do you think would be my learnings for a lifetime?
So the key takeaways, what you will take from my program is definitely that you will become a brand identity, because we have collaborated with good brands, and whoever is a part of my program, we are also helping them to do their personal branding. So this industry is all about branding and promotions. So we are going to be a helping hand to give them that first hand branding. And I feel that when I entered into this pageant world, we just knew that, okay, you have to participate, win the crown, and that's it. But to get work, you have to have a brand value. You have to be visible to people. You have to show them that what you do. So to do that, I am giving a platform where all my participants are going to be learning. Training is one part, experience development is another part, and third is the brand development, experience building and the brand development. So these are the three areas which will be the takeaway for them, so that by the time they go back home, they can carry a profile with them with a experience letter and with a learning.
Well, that is really, I think, a very fantastic experience that we are talking about here. And for Pune city, this is one of its kind, because I've been part of the glamour world myself, and I have hardly come across an all-round development program like this. So my last question to you would be, in this exclusive interview, is that when they look back and they step out after the 10 days of this program with Star Forever, what do you think that the best memory that they will take away with them? Because I know it's going to be a pretty star-studded event, and you are planning quite a lot of things in the upcoming days. So what is that one thing do you think that they're going to really take away when they step out on the 10th day of their program?
I'll say, Ronita, it's just not one thing. There are many things that they will take away. In my program or in my trainings, the first thing which I teach everybody who is a part of my training is you have to have a winning mindset. And to have a winning mindset, you have to have people with you who can help you and collaborate with you. So when they are a part of my program, they will have lots of people who will be their friends, who will be assisting them and guiding them at every point of time in their life. We are having a Star Forever help desk, wherein whoever is associated in this program will be a part of that Star Forever help desk. Anytime, any point of their life, they have any queries, whether to take this opportunity or whether what to do next. So there will be a person who will be assisting them and guiding them what to do. So the guidance and the opportunities, what we will give them later, that is the takeaway what I am promising them.
Super and fantastic. And thank you so much, Pallavi, for sharing your vision, your thoughts, and this exclusive interview that you gave with us, which is Express Line. And so for all the all the girls out there, all the women out there, not only in Pune but across the country, if you really want to win that big ticket to the glamour world and want to take that step ahead, well, you have the answer here, and we are so very proud of you, Pallavi, to have come across with this idea, which again, as I said, is one of its kind in the city of Pune. And we really wish you all the very best for the upcoming endeavor. We wish you all success, and looking forward to get exciting updates and interesting updates from the Star Forever program. So watch out, guys, and thank you so much, Pallavi.
Before we wind up, I just want to conclude one thing, that whoever is going to be a part of my program is going to definitely take away something which they probably have never experienced in their lifetime. Here we are promising them that we are going to give them a luxurious stay, which is going to be in a 5-star, and then we are going to bring the best of the team to train them. Apart from that, the best of the brands where they will feel proud to be associated with, and the best of the memories what they will carry from here, because this training program is going to be fun and learning. So that's what I want to just share, and I would like to request everybody who's listening to this particular interview that please spread the word around that we are coming up with this particular program to help people, not to do a business where only money is important. I personally feel that if I have enough, I would like to sponsor the right talent. I would like to give them a chance wherein they can come forward and showcase their talent and grow in life. So that's my vision and my aim.
Thank you so much, Pallavi, and that comes straight from the words of our ex Mrs. Universe devoted Pallavi Kaushik, and an international pageant groomer. We're very, very honored to have you here with us today. And to our audience, do watch out this space for some more updates. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ronita. Thank you so much. You've been a wonderful host.
Thank you. Thank you.